What's good, y'all? Car broke down. Or, not car broke down. Pretty sure it's my battery. Hopefully. Thanks to AUXITO, we was able to jumpstart my car like 5 times yesterday because I was running around in different places to see if my battery was dead, and that's what they said. But, you know, there still could be the alternator that's going bad, that's putting pressure on my battery. So I know it's not my starter, because if it was a starter, it would be cranking up. No power. I can't lock the car. Literally no buttons working, no lights on the dash. The steering wheel doesn't go up or down no more. Literally no power. So thanks to AUXITO, about to go jump start this. And after I jump start it, gonna go to AutoZone, see if I can get some shit to work, get a brand new battery. But another thing is, I have not changed this battery. Please don't mind that, or please, yeah, just, I know it's upside down.
What the fuck?
I haven't changed my battery since I bought the car. Up, y'all. So see, it says 90% out or whatever. You press start. Gonna say ready. This here is not ready to start. I'm gonna try to let this down slowly so it don't break nothing. Hurry up, man. Oh, turn that motherfucker on. Start right up, so hopefully there's the battery. Let's get a, hold on. I want to get a warm start, a cold start for y'all, but over here is more important. Not gonna lie. Y'all see it's like 8% off, which is not bad at all. Damn, cold start kind of went away, but no, you still get a medium cold start. So yeah, we here. I'm not gonna turn it off just yet. Let me go in there first. Oh shit, I need this. So my steering wheel lock. I'm not gonna turn it off just yet. Go ahead, lock it. She looking nice though. Walk in here. Let me know if y'all like this camera better. This is my 15 Pro Max camera cheese. So yeah, go ahead. I used my GoPro today. Not gonna lie, god damn, this line long as shit. Long as a bitch. I don't know why bro just tried to look at me right here, but he got it up. Yeah, that one right here. Rear wheel drive. Yeah. The hood clamp doesn't. I probably should have. You got a stick or something? I got one inside the trunk.
Compass work. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's probably on this side. Big ass head, boy.
Oh, shit. Thing and the suspensions, like drift suspensions, and a lot of stuff in there.
But there you go, the old one right there, y'all.
Just put a roll cage in there.
That motherfucker. Oh, it was time for a new battery. Can't you tell like the year? It was. Where's the year at?
I don't know.
I think the year is supposed to be somewhere on here. Yeah, I swear the year might be somewhere. It matters to this new battery right here. Got that Duralast 35 AGM gel instead of acid, and I got the amp, so that shit gonna last me. Perfect. This little battery go to my positive terminal. Probably right there right now. I'm gonna let him work. Yeah, though, y'all. Just a quick fix. This happened to me yesterday. I was getting food, turned off my car, walked in, got some wings and shit like that. After that, went to my car, not starting. Luckily, thanks to AUXITO, charged my shit up. I put it on my story too and put it right here. Not gonna lie, this shit actually come in handy. Thank you to AUXITO, because My shit just died. I think I left too many lights on my shit. Thank you to AUXITO, man. Charge my shit up. Boom, boom. Yeah, got it up and running. Went here. Told me my battery. That's why I know it's my battery, but hopefully it's not the alternator messing up the battery. Yeah. Hopefully it's not the alternator. I got my boy right there. Hopefully it's not the alternator messing it up and whatnot. But we gonna see. There's a full warranty, right?
3-year warranty.
3 year?
Yeah.
Okay, 3-year warranty on this as well. So that means if anything happens to this battery, y'all can change it for free.
Yeah.
Correct. Y'all see that right there? AGM technology. Let me zoom in. I ain't gonna lie, this iPhone camera low key tough. 15 Pro Max cheese. I'll see how she looking. But yeah, and with the new battery, hopefully she get up done right and whatnot. All these plastic parts out and shit like that. Yeah. You know, yeah. Got that carbon fiber, amp style honeycomb carbon fiber right there. Yes, sir. I see that honeycomb amp style carbon fiber. A lot of G's don't got that. You hear what I'm telling you? They're available though. The cost of bags like $250 for them bitches. I'm not gonna lie. Just for Mary caps. Yep, $250. But you feel me? I got them a different way. You feel me? All about hustling and shit like that. Got my boy in the background. RT motherfucker, him motherfucker. I might ask him to give y'all some revs. And then he had a Lexus, SC 300 or 400 or 500, I don't know, like 1999, I think. Lexus coupe. I'm talking about like the big body coupe or whatnot. Yeah.
I'll keep like the engine or
the intakes. Yeah. What would you offer me? You said
$10,000.
10 bands? Okay, I mean shit. Give me 10 bands. You got it right now on the spot. Go ahead, give me 10 bands, man. I'm not gonna lie. I done put probably a little bit over than that. I'm not gonna lie. Way more than 10 bands. Way more. I'm way past 10 bands in this. It's crazy though. Because I'm not even like, it's far from done. I'm getting fenders, carbon fiber fenders, the V2 ones with the vent right here and the vent right here. I'm getting 2 of the vents, not the regular ones. I want the hood. I don't want the regular hood. I want the see-through hood. And I'm gonna probably just get a carbon fiber trunk and then call it a day. And then, you know, I still got rapid. Still got to do more performance mods, injectors, ported and lower, ported upper and lower, manifold, headers, all that, bro. So yeah. Okay. All right, y'all, good to go. Got a brand new battery in there. All set to go. Like I said, don't mind that my Mega Racing strut bar is upside down. I just haven't had the time to put it right side up for real. Or my boy Janky did this and didn't realize that he did it upside down. But it's alright though. That bitch still. I don't think it really affects anything being switched around. Yeah, I'm saying like, you see how it's upside down or it's switched? Yeah. Moment of truth right here. Let me see. Well, yeah. It has power now, for sure. Yep, so. Yep. Easy work. Good to go. I'll let her warm up. I think she should be in the race mat. Give y'all a few pops and bangs and shit like that. Not bangs, 3 burbles. I'm not gonna put it in a race mat today. Chill out a little bit. You know, I don't be trying to overdo my shit, cause the moment that I do my shit, I'm gonna. Let me stop. I don't be trying to overdo my flame map and shit like that, because when I do my flame map, I'm gonna overdo my flame map, if that makes sense.
We do not care.
I like to preserve it. You feel me? Let that shit cook a little bit. Let that shit marinate a little bit before that bitch starts shooting. You hear what I'm telling y'all? All good? Oh, we got it. Let me put this. Thanks, boss. You want to take this? Thanks, boss. I appreciate you. Thank you. Testing my battery again and my alternator. Just to make sure it's not the alternator. Hopefully it's good. All good?
Yep.
Perfect. Yeah. So it was the battery. Not indeed the alternator. Yes, sir. Just spin it, bro. We good, we back rolling, we back up and running, you feel what I'm telling you? Got that AGM, 35 AGM battery in here. So now we all good, you feel what I'm saying? See y'all in the next video, peace!
Thank you, come again.
Nigga, I put that on my key. Matter of fact, I need a babysitter. Please come quick.